Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be different, Virgos. I'll be picking cards for those who are in a relationship and for those who are single guys. So, first set of cards are for those who are in a connection, and these cards are for those who are single guys, Virgos. So let's start with the first set of cards. We have Page of Fire, Nine of Water, and Justice. So for those who are in a connection, guys, in a relationship, today whatever you have done, guys, maybe in your past, whatever you have sowed, that is what you are getting. Maybe if you have worked for happiness, you are getting happiness today. And if you were the reason for some troubles in your past, you are facing troubles today, guys. So destiny is what is ruling your day today, guys, and it is a positive destiny today. That is what I see. So things are going happily, guys, in your situation. So you have that happiness, some kind of completion in your heart, because you are really happy to be with this person you love. So you feel that all your wishes have been fulfilled today, all your dreams have come to reality today, and you are enjoying this time you have with this person. So you love this person's presence, and you simply feel like you are on an adventure when you are with them. Maybe for some of you, this may be a new love, a new connection, a new person, guys. You are in relationship with Virgos today. So you have that happiness, contentment, emotional satisfaction in your heart, and the reason may be positive destiny, guys. So destiny has brought this person towards you, Virgos. So this may be the person, your true love, guys, and they also feel the same way about you, how you feel about them, Virgos. So let's see what are the cards for those who are single. We have Two of Earth, Eight of Air, and Eight of Fire. So for those who are single, guys, today you are seeing things in a much better light today, guys. Maybe your past has taught you a few lessons and you are different now. You are a changed person today. So your past love has changed you in many ways, unbelievable ways, and you see your situation with clarity. So, what you need to do today, you have that clarity in your heart today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are clear what your life should be and what this person should be and what you should expect from them. So you have that clear knowledge in your situation, Virgos. And you are, you are firm in your heart. You have that belief that if you are able to work things out with this person, try to bring that understanding. You will be able to build a positive relationship, guys, in future. So you have that clarity, a changed way. So your past love uh, has changed you guys for the better. That is what I see, Virgos. But right now you are um, waiting for the right person to come towards you, guys. That is what I see. Maybe you are trying to find someone, or someone is trying to make you accept their proposal, but you are thinking still. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not what to say have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card. For those who have chosen this card, we will see what it is. It is Kyanite, that is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this uh, crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy, and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.